In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use DeepSeek R1. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to deepseeksr1.com. Then, from here, go to Start Now and then click on Get Started. Now, you're simply going to log in to your DeepSeek account. DeepSeek R1 is not different from DeepSeek AI. It's simply an upgraded version of it, but it runs on the same site. So log into your Google account, for example. Once inside, you can now use this for your queries. Let's say, write me a comparison between, let's say, the Old Testament. I'm sorry. See, you can now use this for any of your queries, like this. Now, you can even generate files like make it in a tabulated manner. So wait for it to finish. Enter. See? So it can help you with your everyday needs and everyday inquiries. Now, you can even add images right here. But keep in mind that for images, it only works for text extraction. So putting an image without any text cannot be analyzed by DeepSeek AI. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.